According to the results of the first half of the year, the Chinese company BYD sold more electrified cars than Tesla. CarNewsChina writes about this, noting that BYD's statistics include the so-called new energy vehicles, NEV, that is, not only pure electric cars like Tesla, but also hybrids, as well as hydrogen-powered cars. Annually, BYD's sales have more than quadrupled. In total, the Chinese concern sold 641,350 new energy cars in the first half of the year, while Tesla sold 564,000 electric cars. The American company increased sales by 46% compared to the same period last year. The head of Tesla, Elon Musk, stated that the result could have been better if it were not for the constant failures of the logistics chain. The position of Tesla was also damaged by the coronavirus lockdown in Shanghai. BYD expects to sell up to 1.2 million NEVs by the end of 2022, a mix of plug-in hybrids and electric vehicles. This should be helped by the active expansion of production capacities. For example, at the end of June, BYD started the assembly line of a new factory in Hefei, its sixth factory in China. It is interesting that BYD and Tesla can become production partners. It was recently reported that the Chinese are planning to supply their overseas colleagues with traction batteries of a new generation.